this much products I got from Korean brands, the viral products. Let's go and watch my vlog. I'm so happy I got this much Korean products, and let me give you a big giant vlog products. Let's get into the video. My OTD and first time in UAE. The theater is full. Just ordered this burger, cheeseburger, and my diet Pepsi and my salty popcorn because I'm a little bit late for the David Westpada to open it. Suddenly I'm excited, and also you can see my OTD. I will show you.
Go.
Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. I hope you are doing well, and welcome back to my vlog. I just come home, I just reached. मैंने देखा Devil Wears Prada 2. It's amazing, so much nostalgic. अगर आपने पहला पार्ट देखा है, you will understand the struggle behind the Emily and both Emilys, and now still they carry forward the runway magazine. And of course I will not give you disclaimers, but still, and I guess it's released on 1st of May, and आज था 9th of May. I swear I booked the 9:20 PM ticket, but it's full. Can you imagine? It's full. I don't know how come, but first time in UAE, in Yas Mall, मैंने देखा है कि कोई शो इतना फुल है, मतलब थिएटर्स आर फुल. मेरे को लाइक फॉर मी आई नीड अ मिडल सीट लाइक अभी अगर 10 रो हो गए तो मुझे 5th रो या 6th रो इन द मिडल, 5th ऐसी सीट चाहिए. तो वो मिल ही नहीं रही थी. इतने लोग एक्साइटेड है इस मूवी देखने के लिए, स्पेशली इन यूएई. आई नेवर सीन कि इतना थिएटर फुल होगा, बट इट्स अमेजिंग. एंड यस, दिस वाज माय ओटीडी. आई ब्रॉट दिस टॉप फ्रॉम Urban Outfitters, yes, and I will introduce this cutesy glasses. It's from the Bershka. I got it from UAE. Of course, tell me you are Maharashtrian without telling me you are Maharashtrian. Look at this side of the vibe, and of course Mahalakshmi calendar or Kal Nirnay, it's important. So let's get into the vlog. Of course I go to Urban Outfitters because nowadays I'm so into Urban Outfitters. So like that, should I keep it like this? Yeah, much better. Without glass I will shoot now. Okay, let's start it. This huge giant bag. इतने सारे कपड़े नहीं लिए मैंने, सो आई विल क्विकली शो बिकॉज अभी 11 के 1 बजने को आया है. आई गेस यस, अभी तो हो गया 12:45. सो यस, there was a discount. Of course I'm a smart shopper. This cutesy pillow lives radio life is a radio. Rodeo? I don't know, I will figure it out this one. But yes, this is so cute. I got this to keep in middle of the bed, like यहाँ पे या फिर मेरे सोफे पे मुझे रखना था, तो I got this cutesy pillow. It's only for 39 dirhams, and Urban Outfitter is the brand from USA. It's not from UAE, it's not from India, it's USA brand, and 39 dirhams from Urban Outfitters. It's amazing. Also, if you didn't see my previous vlog, this pretty top, the polka dots are all over the place like nowadays, and the trend is going so much crazy. So even I got this from Bershka. Oh, sorry, from Urban Outfitters. So yes, the second one I got it for, there is a bell also. Oh yeah, yeah, I got it also for this pretty huge bag. The original price was something, but I got it on discount, 40% off. Can you see the size of the bag? Also, I got it with this pretty scarf, and this scarf was free. And you know कि अभी ये scarves बहुत trend में चल रहा है. Like I no need to buy a red one. I got it, and it's really amazing. I can keep my laptop also. और यहाँ पे ये बड़ा वाला भी है कि जिसको मैं स्लिंग बैग की तरह लगा सकूँ, और ये जो दूसरा वाला है कि ये जैसे मैं अपने शोल्डर को लगा सकूँ. लाइक रियली अमेजिंग, एंड आई लव ब्राउन. इज सो chic, so in the trend, like old money kind of, like you know what I mean. I just watch Devil Wears Prada. Of course, I want to get that original 2000 late 2000 trendy pieces. So yes, it's so good. Can you imagine? Like this is from Urban Outfitters, and I got it for 40% discount. It's so good. And the main part is I got so many products, Korean products, viral Korean products, a lot. I just received from pharmacy. It was on my doorsteps, and oh my god, I'm so excited to use this one. I'm that a kind of a person who stick to the minimal things and stick to the, you know, jo purane till date. I'm using Himalaya product, moisturizer, cream, scrub, face wash, everything, even the shampoos as well. मैं हिमालय की यूज़ करती थी, but I heard, not heard, everyone is going crazy for Korean products, like India में भी, but India में I don't think so I will buy from India because it's kind of duplicate, like they are not using the proper products or something like that. So I will not recommend to buy from India. If you want to just go for the nice pharmacy, or just nice from mall or somewhere it's getting, डायरेक्टली आप किसी भी लोकल वेंडर से मत लेना, बिकॉज वहाँ पे बहुत फेक चीज़ें आ रही है. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग अ टाइम, लेट्स गेट इनटू इट, बिकॉज आई नेवर यूज्ड कोरियन प्रोडक्ट till date. This is my first time. I will give you review in the next video. So till then, just subscribe to my vlog, like, share, and wait for me to post the next vlog, and do comment that how is it, it's working on your things, कि मुझे जो जिस चीज़ों के लिए चाहिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स मुझे डार्क सर्कल्स के लिए क्रीम चाहिए थी, if it's working properly, okay. If it's not, I will give you review. Till for that, you have to subscribe to my channel. So please subscribe to my vlog, please. So without wasting your time, get into a haul. Okay. So first, when I went to Dubai, I got some things from pharmacy. This stuff. Last month मैंने ये सब लिया था. So we will start one by one. Okay. So मैंने कुछ भी यूज़ नहीं किया, मैं सब यूज़ करूँगी, रिव्यू दूँगी, उसके बाद ही आपको बताऊँगी. सो यस, ये पहला है मेडिक्योर का कोलेजन नाइट रैपिंग मास्क, कोलेजन एक्सट्रैक्ट पील स्किन विद अ मॉइस्चराइज़र, नया smooth and firm skin for overnight. I guess it's a night care. Collagen night wrapping mask from Medicube. क्योंकि मैं फ्रंट कैमरा से शूट कर रही हूँ, तो आई डोंट थिंक सो आपको भी दिखाई देगा, बट दिस इज़ फ्रॉम Medicube. If you want, I will attach all the links. And Medicube collagen night wrapping mask. This is a night wrapping mask, and yes. Oh wow, nice. I didn't even start the recording and I was talking about this product. So this is the viral product, Dr. Althea 147 cream. इसमें और एक आता है 345, but मुझे ये 147 because I have a dry skin, because this Dr. Althea 147 normal to dry skin type, and whatever I need I have this, I will get from this cream. So I choose 147. If you have oily skin, you can go for 345. So yes, this is the viral cream, and I saw everywhere on TikTok, on Insta, everyone, and I research about these things, which one is suit will to me, like which barriers I have on my skin, so I should go for this product or no, even because I'm a cabin crew. So I have some Korean girls, Korean cabin crew, so I asked them which product should I use, which one is good for my skin, if I want to use for my dark circles, if I want to use for my pigmentation, if I want to use for my dark spots. So even I do a research from them, I asked them, they suggested me you should go for this 147 Dr. Althea. Yes, the next one is low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. I guess this is formulated with the purifying biotechnical ingredients. This low pH formula works to smooth, refresh, soften the skin within the stripping filling. I guess this is the cleanser. It's really good because I use this. I will not open now, but okay, I use this. Yeah, मैंने ये ट्राई किया था, मेरी फ्रेंड के पास था जब मैं पेरिस गई थी, तो आई फॉरगॉट टू कैरी माई ओन फेस वॉश. आई हैड बट इट वॉज वेरी लिटिल क्वांटिटी, सो आई यूज दिस वन एंड इट वॉज really good because we on a daily basis we use a lot of makeup, not lot of makeup, even a pinch of a makeup you have to remove it clearly. Sometimes we apply makeup for 13 hours continuously, 12 hours, 11 hours, so we have to the skin is very dehydrated because हम लोग 45 above in the sky, like 1000 feet पे, 35,000 feet, 40,000 feet के ऊपर हम लोग फ्लाई करते हैं. वहाँ पे टेम्परेचर बोलो या एयर बोलो कि वहाँ पे डिहाइड्रेशन इतना होता है कि और स्किन नीड मॉइस्चराइज़र, वाटर, इतना आपको हील करना पड़ता है कि अगर मैंने हैंड वॉश भी किया ना फ्लाइट में तो इतना ड्राई होता है कि इमिग्रेशन पे ये स्कैन भी नहीं होगा. तो दैट्स द पॉइंट. सो आई यूज़ दिस वन एंड मैंने देखा है कि जो हिमालय का मेरा नीम फेस वॉश है, ऑफ कोर्स दे हैव अ गुड थिंग्स ऑल्सो एंड बैड थिंग्स ऑल्सो, बिकॉज जब भी मैं उससे मुँह धोती हूँ तो ऐसा ईची देखता है कि कोई कुछ तो खींच रहा है, इतना मतलब ऐसे मैं पूरा स्किन सूख जाता है. बट व्हेन आई ट्राई दिस वन इट वाज रियली गुड. ऐसी स्किन ऐसी थोड़ा ऐसे खिंची हुई नहीं लग रही थी. इट्स लाइक थोड़ा तो मॉइस्चर है मेरे स्किन में. सो दिस वन इज़ लो पीएच गुड मॉर्निंग जेल क्लींजर फ्रॉम कॉसरेक्स. मैंने क्या अच्छा ठीक से प्रोनाउंस किया, कॉसरेक्स, या कॉसरेक्स. So the next product is also again a viral product, which is Retinol Short Tightening Booster Firm Skin. Retinol 0.1 and panthenol is 1%, and yes, 15 ml the quantity is Silimax, yeah. So this is also again a Korean viral product for the wrinkles. For example, अगर मैंने ये ऐसा किया, so these are my wrinkles. See, I'm not even 30. I'm just mid of my 20s. But because of night flights, because of this up down routine, we have skin problems. So for that, I guess this is my genetical issue. So for that I wanted to try this one. I really wanted to try because on TikTok, India में TikTok नहीं है but UAE में है. People are making lots of video about this one. So yes, I want to give a shot and I wanted to try it. Why not? And again the ये जो मैंने 1 2 3 4 5 ये 5 प्रोडक्ट मैंने लास्ट मंथ लिए थे. सो ये है मेरा गैस्कर सेंटेला. ये भी दिस इज़ आई क्रीम. Yes, so made with pure centella form of Madagascar and Sia skin barrier care and probio Sia eye cream. Okay, so because I asked the pharmacy person that I need something for my under eye thing, because अभी तो दिख नहीं रही है. अगर मैं नाइट फ्लाइट करूँ तो आई लुक लाइक रकून. See, it's depend on your routine also and it's depend on your genetics also, because अगर मैं सो भी 12 घंटा भी सो तो ये रिकवर नहीं होता. आई गेस अगर मैंने डार्क सर्कल्स का डार्क पिगमेंट भी गया ना, सो आई हैव दिस डिप, ऐसे खड्डे है. सो उसके वजह से अगर शैडो में से भी देखा, सो आई विल हैव अ डार्क सर्कल मतलब नहीं भी होगा तो भी दिखाई देगा, क्योंकि देखो अगर मैंने ऐसा किया तो इट्स लाइक अ सेम मैचिंग स्किन बट इट्स लाइक गोइंग लाइक दिस, सो इट्स लुक लाइक अ शैडो, सो डार्क सर्कल्स ज़्यादा दिखते हैं. सो आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू गिव अ ट्राई ऑन दिस वन. जो प्रोडक्ट्स थे ये मैंने लास्ट मंथ लिए थे बट मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया, क्यों अप्रैल में ही लिए थे, सॉरी मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया था बिकॉज मुझे ये हॉल बनाना था. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, दिस ह्यूज पार्सल आई जस्ट received from the Aster Pharmacy. It's very big company in UAE. It's working from 1987, so it's very trustworthy company. So yes, let's देखा मैंने ये ओपन भी नहीं किया है, so I will just open in front of you. Oh my god, there are so many huge things I got. Alright, let's start from first one. यही मैंने भी नहीं देखा है, मुझे देखना पड़ेगा कि ये क्या है. Okay, this is the another beauty brand. मैंने one of my Etihad cabin crew friend, I saw this product on her video, especially this brand which is called Beauty of Joseon. Beauty of Joseon. Yes, and this is for ground rice and honey glow mask, of course. So this product specially, Beauty of Joseon, I ordered all the products belongs to this brand, whichever the parcel is from Aster Pharmacy. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा था कि मुझे अभी जो मैं स्किन केयर, ये जो मैंने लिया 5 जो अलग अलग मैंने ऑर्डर किए थे, दीज आर ऑल डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स. लाइक ये मेडिक्योर का था, दिस इज़ मेडागैस्कर, और ये 147 डॉक्टर अल्पिया. सो ये अलग अलग थे. ओके, दिस इज़ फॉर डिफरेंट इश्यूज़. बट अगर मैं बोलूँ कि मुझे प्रॉपरली एक स्किन केयर का प्रोडक्ट चाहिए, स्किन केयर रूटीन के लिए एक ही ब्रांड का पूरा चाहिए, बिकॉज समटाइम्स पीपल से इफ़ यू डू द स्किन केयर यू शुड गो फॉर अ वन स्पेसिफिक ब्रांड you will get a good result, but sometimes we have not all products will suit us, so we have to go for different brands and different products. But for this Beauty of Joseon, I heard this is very effective. So many cabin crews are using this one. So yes, Beauty of Joseon, I got this ground rice honey glow mask. So yes, let's give a try. This is my first product. Second one again from, as I told you कि मैंने सारा प्रोडक्ट अभी जो स्किन केयर का मैंने मंगाया एस्टर क्लिनिक से, वो फार्मेसी से, आई गॉट इट एवरीथिंग फॉर 50% डिस्काउंट. एंड सब मैंने मंगाया है ब्यूटी ऑफ जोसेऑन रेडियंस क्लिनजिंग बाम, Radiance cleansing balm, and this is all Korean based products actually, and very trustworthy because pharmacy, even मैं अगर UAE में भी हूँ तो मैं कहीं भी लोकल स्टोर से ये नहीं लूँगी, ऑफ कोर्स मैं फार्मेसी से लूँगी बिकॉज इट्स अ ट्रस्टवर्थी एंड 100% आई ट्रस्ट ऑन द फार्मेसीज. एंड येस, टॉक अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट. This is also made in Korea and this is also a viral product. This, which one? I forgot. Yeah, this is for Radiance Cleansing Balm. Okay, so I have a like, हमें तो रोज़ मेकअप करना पड़ता है आफ्टर फ्लाइट. इवन इफ यू गो आउट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू क्लीन योर फेस नाइसली. सो दिस इज़ अ क्लिनजिंग बाम. जस्ट यू हैव टू रोल इट एंड रिमूव इट and just you have to apply on your skin. If you need how to apply, you have to subscribe to my vlog to see the next vlog how to use these products. So please stay tuned, and if you want that vlog especially मैं ऐसा पूरा मेरा स्किन केयर रूटीन दिखाऊँ, so you should subscribe to my vlog and do comment that you want to watch this one. So yes, ये था next product which is a cleansing balm to remove the makeup. And I heard like a balm work really good on the skin, like oil cleansing and the cleansing balm also, more than the water liquid formula. So next is I got this, how many products, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, oh my god, I got 7 products. Let me check 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, all right, 1 2 3 4 5 6. No, I got only 6 products. Okay, so next one is again Beauty of Joseon Relief Sunscreen Rice and Probiotics SPF 50 plus PA plus 4 plus, like 5 plus, SPF 50 and PA plus. Also this is Beauty of Joseon and Relief Sun Rice प्रोबायोटिक्स, बिकॉज नाउ डे सब लोग बोल रहे हैं कि राइस वाटर अच्छा है बालों के लिए, फेस के लिए, बॉडी के लिए. सो वाई नॉट, दैट्स वाई आई चूज़ दिस ब्यूटी ऑफ जोसेऑन. सो क्योंकि इसमें हर प्रोडक्ट में राइस वाटर, राइस इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज़ किए है. सो वाई नॉट, दिस इज SPF क्रीम. सो फर्स्ट वन वॉज मास्क. सेकेंड मैंने बोला था कि cleansing balm to remove the makeup dirt from your face, and ये है sunscreen. Why not? Now the temperature in India is also rising like above 50-40. No, not 50, but of course in UAE अभी एक हफ्ते बाद तो ये reach out होगा 50 तक. So I need good kind of sunscreen. Next product is such a huge one. Okay, ginseng cleansing oil. आई गेस मैंने क्लिनजिंग के लिए 2 प्रोडक्ट्स मंगाए. आई गेस दिस वॉज क्लिनजिंग रेडियंस क्लिनजिंग बाम एंड दिस वन इज क्लिनजिंग ऑयल. ओके, या ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स आर सील पैक्ड with the QR code. Nice. So this is also Beauty of Joseon, as I said, and this is a cleansing oil. I will not started using this one. First I want to use this one and then I will start to use this one to remove my makeup. Bioderma is also a good option to remove the makeup and all the dirt and everything, but for the lipstick I use on my lips, which is a red color, which is very pigmented, because I prefer that one because I need to use that one for 12 hours long flights and I don't want to reapply, so that's very hassle free too if you want to eat or drink or it's much. So I use Maybelline 20 shade, which is red. I will show you later. So for that one is very very pigmented. For that you need a stronger product. I'm using now Garnier Vitamin C cleansing niacinamide. Okay, let me, you understood. I'm using that water to remove my makeup. So now I will try using this balm, because using this balm and oil and water you can use on a cotton. For the balm you have to play with your makeup and you have to smudge everywhere, so it's very let's see, I will give a try. Next is okay, again I got one more eye cream, which is Revive Eye Serum, ginseng retinol. Okay, again it's from Beauty of Joseon. I wanted to try one more eye cream, because if this one is not working I will go for this one, or otherwise I will mix these two, because these two have a different ingredients, I guess. Yeah, so because this one is Revive Eye Serum, in this one is serum and this one is eye cream, so I wanted to use this both of them together to see the effect. So yeah, that's why I ordered this one. And again, last but not the least, Glow Replenishing Rice Milk. I guess this is kind of a spray, I guess. Yeah, Beauty of Joseon Glow Refreshing Rice Milk, and directions after a cleansing: dispense a few drops into your hand, gently pat onto the dry face and neck, or dispense the toner onto the cotton pad and gently wipe across your face from inside towards outside. All right, nice. Nice. So yes, these were from all the products are from Beauty of Joseon. This, I guess I ordered 6 products, and मैंने क्लिनजिंग के एक ऑयल ऑर्डर किया था और एक बाम ऑर्डर किया था और ये मैंने फेस मास्क ऑर्डर किया था, आई गेस दिस वन। एंड ये क्या है, और येस ऑफ कोर्स द दिस वन sunscreen. So these are all viral product which is going on Insta, on social media, crazy. So I wanted to try and I wanted to give a shot to how it work, if it's not working, if it will not suit to my skin, I will go back to my routine. I will go back to my Himalayas product and whatever the Indian products. But if people are saying, all the girls are talking about Korean products that they are going crazy and they are working properly, of course I will go for it, because I got it for 50% off, but it will give a more breakage to my account, but it's okay, anything for a good skin. And of course I'm in my mid 20, I need more skincare. Can you imagine, like I have a dark circles, and that's why I have to wear specs sometimes. So yes, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, liked it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my vlog. If you want the review of these products, I will make a one video that how I शुड बी यूज्ड, इसको कैसे यूज़ करना है, इसका एप्लीकेशन कैसे करना है. एंड अगेन इफ़ यू वांट टू आस्क मी अबाउट द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट, अगेन मैं वैसे वीडियो बनाऊंगी. लेट मी नो, एंड आई होप यू एन्जॉयड इट, लाइक इट, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. आई गेस अब इस वीडियो में मैंने सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए इतना बोला है, बिकॉज आई ट्राई टू मेरी कंसिस्टेंसी मैंने इतनी मेंटेन की है. आफ्टर 4 months आई डिडंट पोस्टेड अ वीडियो, बट नाउ येस आई एम स्टिक टू माई यूट्यूब अ लॉट. लाइक आई एम वेरी कंसिस्टेंट and loyal to my YouTube channel, that I will be consistent. Yes, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my vlog. Again, 500th time, of course you should subscribe to my vlog, because I'm doing so much for my account, for my YouTube channel. And yes, see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed it.